ulikuwa unataka method gani? Kuna ile unajua unataka ama tukueleze zile ziko?
The one that is safe with me. You have said like my blood pressure is high.
No, that's why I've taken this to go to check, and then kuna zile uwezi tumia kama uwezi tumia pills.
Gosh, I wanted pills.
It's not safe. Sababu naona pressure yako iko 140, 143 stroke
190.
143 stroke 90. So that one I cannot give you. You can safely use ile coil, hiyo unaweza tumia ama ile ya 5 years or 3 years. Those are the safest. Naona iko hapa, ukiangalia pressure yako unaona iko hapa. Hizi number 3 hizi hauwezi pewa. Combined pill ni zile everyday pill. Your everyday pill. Unaona wamesema number 3 we can only use the method if there is no other option. But there are other options, better options. So this one we cancel this one. We can't give you this one because of
Hypertension.
the pressure. Yeah, it could do. Then this one, there is this one and this one. You see, number one is the best. Ile iko yenye ina fall under number 1. So hii ni zile progesterone only pills. Hii si ya mwenye ananyonyesha. So this also you don't qualify this one.